Ever wondered how some people seem to thrive in their work environments while others merely survive? The secret lies in creating the ideal work environment. Now let's delve into why this is so crucial. Picture this: a workspace that energizes you, fosters your creativity, and makes you look forward to starting your day. It sounds dreamy, doesn't it? But it's not just about comfort and aesthetics. The right work environment can significantly boost your productivity, making you more efficient and effective. Not to mention, it can improve your overall job satisfaction, leading to better work-life balance and even career growth. Imagine achieving your career goals faster and happier, all because you took the time to create your ideal work environment. Intriguing, isn't it? You might be asking, how can I create my ideal work environment? Well, you're about to find out. One common misconception is that the ideal work environment is the same for everyone, but that's far from the truth. Now let's unpack this. Imagine two professionals, a software developer and a sales executive. The developer might thrive in a quiet, solitary environment to focus on coding. On the other hand, the sales executive might prefer a lively, bustling atmosphere to feed off the energy. This difference extends to other factors too, like workplace culture, level of autonomy, and even the physical layout of the workspace. It's not about mimicking what works for others, but about understanding what works for you. Consider your personality. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? Do you work best under pressure or with plenty of time? What motivates you, competition or collaboration? These factors all contribute to your ideal work environment. So the first step towards your ideal work environment is understanding what works best for you. Now let's delve into some tools you can use to craft your ideal work environment. First up is your workspace. Personalizing your workspace, whether it's a corner of your living room or a dedicated office, can make a world of difference. This could mean adding a plant for a touch of nature or hanging up inspirational posters. It's all about creating a space where you feel motivated and inspired. Next on the list are productivity apps. There's a multitude of apps out there designed to help you manage your time, organize your tasks, and keep you focused. From digital calendars to task management apps, these tools can streamline your workflow and reduce stress. Finally, let's not forget about effective communication techniques. Whether it's learning how to construct clear emails or mastering the art of virtual meetings, honing your communication skills can lead to a smoother and more efficient work environment. Remember, these tools are not magic wands, it's how you use them that makes the difference. You may wonder, what's the big deal about an ideal work environment? Well, the impact is more significant than you might think. Imagine a workspace where you feel energized, focused, and fully engaged in your tasks. This isn't a fantasy, but a possibility when you create your perfect work environment. Increased productivity is one of the key benefits. When you're comfortable and have everything you need at your fingertips, tasks that once seemed daunting become manageable and even enjoyable. It's like having a tailwind that constantly propels you forward. Consider also the reduction in stress. A cluttered, noisy, or chaotic workspace can be a significant source of tension. But when you eliminate these distractions, you'll find your stress levels plummeting. And let's not forget about job satisfaction. In a space that suits your needs and preferences, you'll likely find your work more fulfilling and rewarding. In essence, your ideal work environment can be a game changer for your career. So, are you ready to transform your work environment into a space where you can thrive? The transformation won't happen overnight, but with the insights we've shared, you're well on your way. Remember, we've debunked the misconception that an ideal work environment is a one-size-fits-all concept. We've handed you the tools to create your own unique space, whether it's through physical organization, digital decluttering, or fostering a positive mindset. We've also highlighted the impact of this environment on your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Now it's time to put these insights into action. Start small, maybe by rearranging your workspace or setting boundaries for a better work-life balance. Then gradually incorporate other elements that resonate with you. This is your journey, and it's all about creating a space that allows you to be your best self. And remember, the best work environment is the one that works best for you. So start creating yours today.